You need a drama, take a note. Another one, jump another octave. One more time, duplicate it. Cut-off automation. Now your build-up is much stronger. Maybe you have a regular clap pattern, but you wanna juice it up. Get darker clap with attack. Switch to 16. Now you have cool offbeat techno clap pattern. Or you have a melodic techno track and you need an ambience. Take your root key, count until 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then take another one to the 6 and come back to 5. And now loop it. You just discovered the power of 6 notes in melodic techno. Need a pattern for your bass. Take your root note, duplicate it once, then duplicate that one more. Loop it. Sidechain it to kick, add some movement to cut off. You got the most common techno rolling bass line. Too many notes for you, delete off beats, make it bigger. You got yourself offbeat bass. You need something groovy? One note, second one, jump, jump more. Loop it. Extend the notes. Never forget sidechain the kick. Now you have this. Want to make it groovier? Extend the pattern. Loop again. Enjoying the video? Please consider like and subscribe. Techno relies high on 16 hi-hat patterns. Take a net, put once, duplicate it 16 times. Trick, play with the velocities. Add a groove and randomize fade in and detune. Of course, this is not the only pattern. This is called off-hat. It's boring on its own, and the better pattern would be adding accents in around off-hat. But maybe you are different and you enjoy triplets, then you can go for this. That means that you can alter that 16 hat pattern now. This is for those hippie producers. Sometimes you want to tap into the power of evil spirits. Start with your root key. All you need to do, utilize the power of semitones. Let's go! If you don't like bass pattern, maybe you like the rumble pattern. Like taking a kick, routing to a secondary channel with tons of effects, resampling it. Take one, put in the last quarter, but lag it a bit. Take another transient, put it in the offbeat. Extend it. Make this transition obvious. Polish it a bit more. Kick is not enough, we need ambience. Techno loves simple patterns. Take the root, C minor, put the 5th C minor chord, duplicate, these one octave up, semitone up. That is your melancholic ambience. Too simple? You want something melodic? Count to 6, 4, 5, 6. Create a triad, count to 4, create a triad, and then put your root key. This is called 6-4-1, and it's one of the most utilized chord progression in melodic techno. Separate the notes. You can always cheer it up with voice leading. Sometimes you need a pattern to create drama and intensity. Duplicate it. All you need to do is creating a ascending pattern. But sometimes you need the resolution and feel like coming home. Now, my friends, descending patterns are made for that. Interestingly enough, I had a video where I show what makes a pro melodic techno track pro. I put it here. Take a look.